We want the name Kohshin to be there when the world of agriculture and livestock transforms. Not just a manufacturer, but also an innovator. We have dedicated ourselves to advancing technology. Believing in the power of the land, we maximize its true potential by using nature's power, returning what nature gives us back to nature itself. IT times biology, bringing to life what the world has never seen, things that truly matter. And even now we keep thinking, creating, and moving forward. What makes Kohshin's composters special? The process is simple and automatic. It starts with our pre-composting Soilath system, which helps to activate the bacteria. After that, the pre-composted materials are placed on the input side of the pit. The machine starts the process where special hatchet blades chop the material evenly, allowing more air for the sufficient aerobic process. As the machine moves forward, it pushes the material to the output side of the pit with blades. At the end of the pit, the composter lifts its frame and returns. When it reaches its initial position, it shifts to the next pit and repeats the process. The final product can be removed from the output side of the pit. All the operations run on a set timer without human assistance. For odor control, the machine can be equipped with a scrubber that captures ammonia and gases and dissipates them into a water pool along the pit wall. The mixer mixes materials so they become fluffy and evenly blended. It also helps to adjust the moisture content. By automating this process, it reduces working time compared to doing it manually. Soilath system. Equipped with blowers and various sensors, the system helps start the composting process correctly. It supplies air to stimulate aerobic bacteria activity and adjust moisture levels for efficient fermentation and high-quality compost production. All of this is thanks to sufficient air supply. Additionally, it helps reduce unpleasant odors and ammonia emissions. One of the main benefits is that our team in Japan can provide remote support by monitoring the composting process online. Our composting machines provide an effective solution for your manure management needs. High temperatures during composting ensure a safe product by killing off harmful pathogens and suppressing flies. Our special hatchet blades mix the material while supplying a large amount of air essential for efficient composting. The blades crush the materials, helping them break down more smoothly and finish in a uniform pelletized form, which is ideal for bagging or spreading. We've also built our machines to last using galvanized steel frames that stand up to long-term use in harsh farm environments. All operations are completed by autonomous driving. For farms that produce manure in batches such as broiler farms, we developed an all-in-all-out operation system. In this case, the composter agitates the materials in both directions, keeping them inside the pit. After around 30 to 40 days, the fully composted material can be removed all at once. And when it comes to setting up your composting site, we've kept it practical, convenient, and simple. Usually manure hardens after mixing, blocking the airflow at the bottom. With our patented unique aeration system, air still passes through because the pipes don't clog. Because our system uses a fully aerobic process, it's not only efficient, but also eco-friendly, helping reduce greenhouse gas emissions and supporting sustainable farming practices. Our technology allows you to join the carbon credit program. With our product, you are eligible to receive carbon credits. The products from these fermentation systems ultimately become fertilizer. Soilath Blender. To use Soilath Blender, input your fertilizer and soil analysis data, then select the type of crop you will use it for, or set the amount of hybrid fertilizer you want to produce and specify the desired NPK ratio. Environmental benefits. Promotes sustainable farming, enhances soil quality. Economic benefits. Assists livestock farmers in selling organic fertilizer, raises the unit price of fertilizer, creates new markets for custom blended fertilizer, fulfills the needs of farmers. Kohshin's cage cleaning robot Venus 2.0 automatically moves within the aisle and cleans the cages. It fits into various cage setups and can reach heights up to 4 meters and widths between 0.6 to 1.4 meters, adapting to different poultry house sizes. Venus automatically moves back and forth in the aisle, cleaning the tier from top to bottom. Thanks to its smart tire design, Venus can clean up to 100 meters of cages in one run. Its patented rotating nozzle system, combined with special brushless motors, allows for precise cleaning that matches the quality of manual cleaning. Equipped with sensors, Venus moves on its own without needing special rails. Venus can work continuously 24/7 without any supervision. The hose reel works in sync with the machine body, automatically retracting the hose. However, it also can be done with the push of a button. Additionally, Venus is equipped with an alarm system that pauses operation and notifies the user in case of any abnormal situation. This robot can clean not only layer cages, but also broiler cages and A-type models. Plus, setting the program is very convenient with a simple tablet application. Even those who are not familiar with technology can easily set the cleaning programs and control the robot.